Hey guys, what's going on? Spidiosh here. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Oppo A73, a very interesting looking budget smartphone. This device really caught my eye as it had such a cheap price tag and had all these features going for it, so I really wanted to check it out and just see what it was actually like. Just to give you a quick rundown of the specs, this thing has a 6-inch Full HD display that is 2160 by 1080. It features 32GB of storage as well as 3GB of RAM, and it uses a MediaTek Octa-Core processor. Now this phone only costs $359 brand new unlocked from JB Hi-Fi. These specs for this price are actually quite impressive. I'm really interested to see what will happen as I use this phone as my daily driver for the next few weeks. We'll put the phone to the side for now while we have a look at what other items come included with the box. To my actual surprise, Oppo gives you a free case with your smartphone, something that not many other manufacturers actually do. I know with my Galaxy S8, which is an $1,000 phone, they don't even give you a free case. Yet for $359, Oppo gives you a free case? I just find this really interesting. The rest of the stuff included with the box is just stock standard stuff. Paperwork, instructions, how to recycle your phone, a charger, a wall adapter, and even some earphones. The headphones don't look like they'll sound that great, but I'm going to leave my opinion for them in the full review, which I'll be doing in the next couple of weeks. Now that we've got everything else out of the way, it's time to shift the full attention to the most important item, the phone. The Oppo A73 is actually quite a big phone, but rightfully so because it's carrying such a big 6-inch display. If we take a look at the bottom of the phone, we see it has rear-firing speakers, a mini USB port for charging, and also keeps around the headphone jack, something that not many phone manufacturers are actually doing these days. The backside of the phone is fairly minimalistic, with an Oppo logo, a fingerprint scanner, and also the camera. The overall design is quite clean and minimalistic. It does look a lot like an iPhone and could be said that they're copying, which I think they are, but it doesn't look bad. Even though I only had the phone for a little while, it's very clear that the back does attract fingerprints. This for me personally isn't a big deal, but if you plan on using it with no case, this might get annoying and look kinda disgusting. Phone now powered on, we got our first look at what I think is probably the biggest letdown of this phone, the software. For some reason, they've skinned it to look so much like iOS, which I don't think they need to. Granted, this can all be changed by applying skins and textures to fix it, but it just seems unnecessary. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be doing a full review where I go through everything about this phone, but so far, I have to say I'm quite impressed. You've really got to consider the price that you pay for this phone, $359, and the value that you appear to be getting. Everything so far just seems to work, but I'm going to be digging deep into my full review, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and I guess first impressions of this phone. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video, as you have no idea how much it helps me out.